it's Kim from Runaway Homestead. I'm getting ready to meet Perry up by the buckwheat that we have planted for the bees. He's up at the barn, and we're gonna meet up there and harvest the seeds so that we can plant more next year and we don't have to buy more seed. So let's head on up and get that done. I'm here getting ready to get all the seeds off this, off the buckwheat that I cut. My thought was to cut the buckwheat off, put it in a bag, hang it in the garage, let it dry. And Perry and I had talked about going and getting the buckwheat seeds that morning, and when we met up there we both had different thoughts of how we were going to do that. So I really think, as dry as they were, we could have just pulled them off the way Perry did. I think his way and his thought was better. Sometimes I put too much thought into things and I guess I was thinking they wouldn't be totally dry, and his way would have saved a lot of time. But anyway, I'm going to get the seeds off of here, and then I'll put them up in a cool place for next year when we go to plant out our buckwheat patch for the bees. I was worried about weeds taking over, so I wanted to harvest the seeds and then cover that spot so that all the weeds will be killed out by spring. So anyway, I'm going to harvest all these seeds, and yeah, then maybe we'll go out and cover that spot in the garden. So I'll take you with me when I get ready to do that. But these seeds, I thought they were a lot smaller than they are, but they're pretty good size. I don't know if you can tell, but they are pretty good size. So, Perry's way definitely is less messy, and it might take more time outside doing it, but yeah, next year we got to do it the way he did it. Because this is a mess. A big old mess. But that's how we learn, right? I say that so much. Glad I didn't clean this floor this morning yet. So I'm gonna get back to this, and I don't know if I'll get to covering the spot out there. We'll just have to see how much time I have. But we definitely won't do it this way next year. Chalk one up for Perry. Okay, I'm finally gonna cover this spot with plastic this fall and through the winter. And hopefully we have good weed-free soil to plant the buckwheat. So here we go. Of course, it's going to be a breezy day when I'm out here by myself doing this, but that actually helped out a little bit. Now we'll just get it staked down and we'll be done. I've got these little metal stakes, and I've got some that Perry made that are a little longer, so we'll get these staked down. And as you can see, it didn't quite make it to the end, so I'm attaching more plastic right there, and we'll go all the way to the end. And there it is. Hopefully it'll stay there and kill off any weed seeds or grasses and be ready to replant the buckwheat in the spring.